Jen, I know this ain't what I think this is.
Oh, it is.
You just brought me a gift, and I know this ain't what I think this is, Matt. I know this ain't what I think this is. It got Max on it.
Tell me that ain't some new straps for our truck.
Don't say that, especially with the Sonoma trip coming up.
Absolutely.
And, and it was about time for a new set because I was kind of worn a little bit. Oh, no. Oh, Lord.
New straps.
Woo!
Man, this is awesome. Some of the best products you'll ever have. It's Max Custom tie-down straps.
New
We
foam.
use them here. They even got the foam pads. You can choose to integrate them or not.
Oh, that's cool.
To keep from scratching our powder coating on the chassis.
Oh, yeah. So,
Very cool.
hey, this is like Christmas. Max, we really appreciate you guys for
Guys,
this,
we
man.
really appreciate it.
Yes, sir, and thanks a lot.
This will save us from having to stop every 30 miles to check, make sure our straps are tight.
Yep. So if you out here listening to this, make sure you go out and get your Max tie-down straps. We use them on the highest level of NASCAR. We're in the Cup Series, and they look very nice, very presentable. And as you can see, we got different options to insert. Like you say, to keep the car from scratching. And like you say, since they're new, and we got a trip coming up to Sonoma, these to be great. They won't have to stop every second because we know they're new and they're not going to flex. So thank you, Max. We appreciate it, and we're going to use them now. So thank you.